Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Zanella, your Prescott Arizona realtor. Clients of mine very often ask me, can I still find a deal in Prescott, Arizona?
That's a tough question.
And a deal is also relative, because if you come from a state where real estate is more expensive, what you get here might feel like you're getting a deal. But generically speaking, I would say, no, not really. Not very often, at least. Today we're gonna go see a house that just came on the market. It's 2,100 square feet.
Wow.
430,000, and it's super close to downtown. Well, it's a fixer upper. So let's see what you get for that price. Let's go check it out.
Tons of potential. Let's see.
This is the house. Very promising. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, split-level home. Tons of potential. The cabinets are still in fairly good condition. I suppose this would be the living area with some things to fix. Now that we have seen the downstairs, let's just go see the second floor. Another full bathroom with a skylight. Bedrooms, another large room with some exposed plumbing. Check this out. A 2-car detached garage with a side space that is plumbed and with electricity that could become an au pair suite or something you could keep for guests. Pretty nice.
Hello.
Brian, how are you?
Oh, good.
I'm in the car. I was just previewing the home. I did a video tour, so I can share it with you if you like it. So.
Nice. Yeah.
Is this a deal? I don't want to answer that. I think in Prescott to find a deal, it's quite difficult, but isn't it everywhere? If you like this episode, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. So long, my friends.